So are you.
Alright.
I don't know why there was a lightning bolt to the east a while ago. There's nothing but rain over there. No red, no... a little bit yellow, but that's about it.
You know what happened June 14th?
I know, that was the day. Look at the green. Dude, if you look closely in the west, you might be able to see something, because there is rotation over there.
North right now. That's green to the west.
That is green to the west, yes. Oh, jeez, I'm cold. Alright. I'm walking over here, closer to the west, get away from the cold air in the east. Nice looking rain band in the east, but I'm facing the west. I am going to the deck. I am also seeing lightning. Underneath my outdoor antenna. Oh wow, it's green. Oh my lord. What is that? From the other day's windstorm, we did have some debris.
Yeah.
Had debris. Had debris. I can't see back here. I forgot. I really would like to see some awesome lightning bolts and get them on video. I'd also like to see some hail. Oh, that was good. Yeah, that was pretty good. It's getting closer. There's one to the east. The west is just lighting up. The west is lighting up, so be ready. This thing's coming. It's coming. I'm waiting for him to... Is Henry still under a tornado warning? Yeah. Are we about to go under one? Because they went under a severe thunderstorm warning first. Can't hear you in speakerphone. Good Lord, there's lightning everywhere. This is it. It's the storm we were waiting on right here. We go with the rain thing. Oh, good Lord. West, northwest, west, bolt, everywhere. I know. The west is just lighting up as bright as it can. Are we going to get hit with this? What about the one to the west? Where? Where's the other one at? Tornado on the ground at north of Bedford. Starting to rain. His lightning's bright. Yeah, you should go outside, you'd see it a lot better. Oh, good. Dublin's this time. Dublin. Got Dublin and Cambridge going off. We're under a tornado warning because Dublin sounded it. Dublin's this time.
Yeah, Dublin.
And Cambridge.
Yeah, and here's Cambridge.
Keep watching Channel 8. Look at that. Shelf cloud coming right towards us.
Oh, it's green.
Yeah, we're under a tornado warning. This has to be a tornado warning because we were already under severe thunderstorm warning. This is it. This is it right here.
Yep, it's crossed over, Daddy says.
Go check it, Alex. Could you go check it?
Oh.
Here we go.
You watch for hail, Nathan.
I am.
Yeah, I don't want you getting hit by it. It'll hurt.
I have never gotten hail on video. This is insane. Look at this.
Tornado on the ground at Bedford.
What about Wayne County? I think Cambridge is getting.
Look at those. Look at how the clouds are moving that way now, Nate.
I know, they're rotating.
Yeah,
Big
they are.
time. Big time rotation. What's that?
Look at that big shelf cloud.
Oh, good lord. Oh, it's pitch black in the west. It's black in the west.
Yeah, it's crossed over into Wayne County.
That's coming.
Watch above you. And we seen that one up above us that one night.
It's right there, and then the other one right there.
Yeah.
Dublin shut theirs off.
Well, they run a cycle.
Yeah, they go for so many minutes and then shut off.
And then they'll
Used
turn
to be
it back
about 2
on.
minutes. Used to be about 2 minutes.
Turn it back on if it is something.
But you want to try to go somewhere, get out,
Where are we gonna go?
dig us a hole.
You wanna go down Grandma's and get in her shelter?
I'm
Her
not
storm
going
shelter?
anywhere.
No, that's Cambridge.
Yeah.
That is loud.
Yeah.
Well, that's why I knew a while ago it wasn't Cambridge.
Well, they're moving in pretty fast.
That one's Cambridge. The one that just shut off that's really loud, that one's Cambridge.
Oh, we're going to get struck by lightning. I'll probably pee my pants. But I'm about to pee right
Oh my god, I don't care.
Move it out one.
My dad's talking about weird stuff and I'm just gonna move down here.
now. I know, it's too dried up.
Sirens are shutting off. Cambridge turned it back on. Cambridge is back on.
That's a regular siren.
Yep, that's right.
I got that. There's a power flash northwest. Power flash.
What?
Power flashes to the northwest, they're still going on. Look at that shelf cloud forming. Why do they got that going on for? Oh, you could hear it blow up. Did you hear it pop? That was that transformer. Oh man, that's cool. I think it's cool. But then, oh yeah, look at this. Look at this. Northwest, then the west, and the southwest. Mainly the northwest and west.
Look how black it is.
There's a power flash. Cold. Yeah, that power flash, I bet my brother's without power, but are you getting any video right now? Southwest? Oh crap. Look at this. Is it hailing at your house? How is it hailing there? It's not here. Doesn't make sense. It's everywhere. It's everywhere. Oh, good God.
Yeah. Oh, electricity. That's electricity.
Yeah, that's what popped up there. That's what it was. I can smell the electricity. That's how bad it is. Ugh. They shut that siren off. Oh, good God, look at this.